Hello everyone, I'm back with a new question. So this time it's a combination of straight line motion and projectile motion. Okay, so here the two bodies were thrown simultaneously, one straight up and the other at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. The initial velocity of both the bodies is 25 meters per second. And after neglecting the air drag, we need to find the distance between the bodies after 2 seconds. So let's try to visualize the situation. So let this be horizontal. Right. So now one body is thrown vertically up with an angle of, with a velocity of 25 meters per second. The other body is thrown at an angle of 30 degrees with a velocity of 25 meters per second. So let this be body one and let this be body two. Okay. And in this case, the gravity is acting downwards, which is 10 meters per second square. And the velocities are 25 meters per second for each body. As this is positive y and this is positive x. So what is the distance traveled by body 1 in the vertical direction? So we can calculate that using this formula. H1 equals ut minus half g t square. So this would be 25 times 2 minus half into 10 into 4. So as we get the distance traveled by body 1 is 30 meters. So in case of body 2, so we need to resolve this into two components. The one is the horizontal component, the other is the vertical component of the velocity. The horizontal component of velocity, which is in x direction, ux will be, as this is 30 degrees, x will be u cos 30. And uy will be u sin 30. So now we calculate the distance traveled in y direction and in x direction independently. So with the initial velocity of u sine 30 in the y direction, what will be the distance traveled in the y direction? So that will be h2 equals u sine 30 into t minus half g t squared. So this will be u is 25, sine 30 is 1 by 2, time is 2 seconds. So this is 25 into 1 by 2 into 2 minus half times 10 into 4. Yeah. So now we get the answer of 5 meters. The second body has traveled vertically for 5 meters. And in the horizontal direction, as it has no acceleration in the horizontal direction, so the distance traveled in the horizontal direction x2 will be u cos 30 into time. So this will be 25 into root 3 by 2 into 2. So this is 25 root 3 meters. So now to calculate the distance between them. So what is the distance between them in the vertical direction? So that will be 30 minus 5. So this we get the distance between them in the vertical direction is 30 minus 5. So this is 25 meters. And the distance between them in the horizontal direction is, body 1 doesn't travel in the horizontal direction, so it is at 0. And the body 2 travels a distance of 25 root 3. So the distance between them in the horizontal direction is 25 root 3 minus 0. This is 25 root 3 meters. So total distance between them is under root delta h square plus delta x square. We need to do the vector addition of the distance. So this would be under root 25 square plus 25 root 3 whole square. So the answer would be 50 meters. Hope you have understood. See you again in the next video.